Is it recording? Hey friends, it's Olivia Anuhea here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I create my 7-minute Celebrity High Pony. You will need a few things, by the way. So, a thin rubber band and a thick rubber band. I'll show you why later. And then you'll also need some extensions. The ones I have are clip-in. You'll need clip-in extensions, and when choosing extensions, I always try to get the Remy hair, which means that all the cuticles are laid the same. That way the hair doesn't get frizzy. And I also get human hair because I feel like synthetic hair looks plasticky, and also you can't put heat to synthetic hair at all. So, and then I also have a Magic Root cover-up by L'Oreal. I got this at Walgreens. By the way, guys, this video is not brand specific. Just use whatever you have or whatever you like. I'll show you what I do with this. This is awesome later. Okay, so here we go. So I already blow dried and curled my hair. I'm just joking. I just slept with it wet. So it's kind of already it's already wavy. Matches the texture of the extensions that I am going to put in. So I'm going to use my thin rubber band, and I'm going to create a mini pony at the crown of my head. So it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to make sure that you're leaving hair out all around the mini pony. So you're going to section off just like this. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. Okay. Looks funny, I know. So I'm going to take my first clip-in extensions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to build around. I'm going to put it close to the rubber band. You're just clipping, if you can see, all around, closest to the rubber band. Okay, so there's the first one. So I have all of my extensions in for the pony. Now I'm going to take the hair that we left out and cover it, put it all together in one big pony. And that's what the thick rubber band was for, because you need to hold all that hair. If you were to use a really thin rubber band, it would just come out. Okay. Woo. Okay, see how pretty and voluminous it is, you guys? This is that Celeb High Pony. Okay, so this last part I feel like really polishes the look. So we have a rubber band here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I want to cover it using a piece of extension. So I'm going to clip it to the back. And I'm going to wrap it around the, oops, sorry. I'm going to wrap it around the rubber band. Okay. So you can bobby pin it or just tuck it under. I would rather bobby pin it, but I forgot right now. I forgot one right now, so I'm just going to tuck it under. But it really polishes the look when you can have something that's wrapped around the rubber band itself. I think it really adds a touch of professional, looks very professional. Okay, so now remember when I told you guys about the Magic Root cover-up? So this is for roots, but I use it to spray my scalp. here. This is a celebrity trick that I've learned. I watched Kim Kardashian's, I think her makeup artist or her hairstylist do this with brow powder. But I'm just going to spray it. So I'm going to shake it first. And now I'm going to spray it to cover up my scalp to make my hair look denser. You can also do this with powder, but I really shouldn't have worn this. Don't wear white or light colors when you're doing this. It's dumb of me. I've seen people do this with powder to cover up the scalp, but for me the spray is just much easier and quicker. So yeah, oopsie. This is my 7-minute celebrity high pony. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you guys want to see me do more of these tutorials, follow me on Instagram. You guys can DM me. I always love to hear from you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. Got it all. Started all